Hello friends, this is Samarth and welcome to my YouTube channel that is Love for Anatomy. And today we are going to discuss about a very important topic that is the intermuscular spaces. So before starting, I would like to mention that if you want to learn anything about the anastomosis over the scapula or over the elbow joint, please refer to my previous videos. So starting with the topic intermuscular spaces, as you can see written in orange, the first space is known as the quadrangular space. The second space is known as the upper triangular space, and the third one is known as the lower triangular space. And all these three, that is the quadrangular, upper triangular and lower triangular space, are referred to as the intermuscular spaces formed by the muscles teres minor, teres major, long head of the triceps brachii, and a bone, that is the humerus. So let's get started with our topic. Here you could see the posterior aspect of the scapula bone. This right here is the acromion process, and this cavity is known as the clinoid cavity, into which the head of the humerus fits. And now you guys could see the head of the humerus being fitted in the glenoid cavity of the scapula, and this right here is the shaft of the humerus. So as I've already mentioned, there are three muscles, that is the teres minor, teres major, long head of the triceps brachii, and this humerus involved in formation of these intermuscular spaces. So let's draw the muscles one by one. So guys, here I have drawn all the muscles involved. That is the first muscle, which occurs in two slips from the lateral border of the posterior aspect of the scapula, that is the teres minor muscle. This right here also originates from the lateral border of the posterior aspect of the scapula. This muscle, this one is known as the teres major muscle. Now talking about this cavity, as we have already discussed, this is the glenoid cavity having the supraglenoid tubercle and infraglenoid tubercle. There is an origin of the long head of the triceps brachii from the infraglenoid tubercle. So once more, this right here is the muscle known as the teres minor. This is the muscle teres major, and this muscle coming from the infraglenoid tubercle is the long head of the biceps brachii. So let's enumerate the two triangular, that is the upper triangular and lower triangular space, and one quadrangular space. This right here, making a triangle, is the upper triangular space. This in quadrangular space shape is the quadrangular space. This right here, the small one, is the lower triangular space. So let's discuss about all the three one, that is the upper triangular space, lower triangular space, and the quadrangular space, keeping in mind their boundaries. Talking about the boundaries of the upper triangular space. As you can see, in the upper triangular space, there is a superior boundary, there is a lateral boundary, and there is an inferior boundary. The superior boundary, lateral boundary, and the inferior boundary. And you guys could easily see the superior boundary of the upper triangular space is formed by the lower border of the teres minor muscle, that is this one. This is the superior boundary formed by the lower border of the teres minor muscle. This is the lateral boundary. The lateral boundary is formed by the medial border of the long head of the triceps brachii. The medial boundary is formed by the medial border of the long head of the triceps brachii. The structure nearer to the midline of the body is referred to as medial, and away is referred to as lateral. Now it comes to the inferior boundary. The inferior boundary is formed by the superior border. This right here is the superior border. This is the inferior border or the lower border. So the inferior boundary is formed by the superior border of the teres major muscle. Now coming to the lower triangular space, this one. This is the lower triangular space in the scapular region. So the lower triangular space has a superior boundary, a lateral boundary, and a medial boundary. Once more, the lower triangular space has a superior boundary, lateral boundary, and a medial boundary. So as you can see, the superior boundary is formed by the lower border. This is the lower border of the teres major muscle. The medial boundary is formed by the lateral border of the long head of the triceps brachii. This one. This is the triceps brachii, and the medial boundary is formed by the lateral border of the long head of the triceps brachii. Now coming back to the medial border is formed this one is the lateral border. The lateral border is formed by the medial border of the humerus. This right here is the medial border of humerus. Now quadrangular space is a bit complicated. So quadrangular space also have a superior, an inferior, a lateral, and a medial boundary. This right here is the inferior boundary of the quadrangular space. This right here is the quadrangular space. The inferior boundary is formed by the superior border. This is the superior border of the teres major muscle right here. Now coming to the lateral boundary is formed by the surgical neck of the humerus. This region is the surgical neck of the humerus. You have to remember this. The lateral boundary is formed by the surgical neck of the humerus. Now covering the medial boundary is formed by the lateral border. This is the lateral border of the long head of triceps brachii. Therefore, the inferior boundary by the superior border of teres major, the lateral boundary by the surgical neck of humerus, and the medial boundary by the lateral border of the long head of the triceps brachii muscle. Now coming to the superior boundary. Superior boundary of the quadrangular space is rather complicated. There are three structures forming the superior boundary. Number one is the subscapularis muscle. Number two is the capsule of the shoulder joint, as you can see in here. Number three is the inferior border of the teres minor muscle. Now right here, teres minor muscle is quite easy to enumerate, but the subscapularis and the capsule of the shoulder joint is easily forgettable. So we have to remember the superior border of the quadrangular space is formed by three structures. Number one, subscapularis, capsule of the shoulder joint, and the inferior border of the teres minor muscle. So let me give you the notes of all the three quadrangular space. But before, let us talk about a very important aspect, that is the contents of the three intermuscular spaces. So talking about the content of the quadrangular space, we have a nerve and an artery. The nerve coming from the quadrangular space is the axillary nerve, supplying the teres minor and the deltoid muscle. The artery coming is the posterior circumflex humeral artery. So the contents of the quadrangular space are the axillary nerve and the posterior circumflex humeral vessels. Now talking about the contents of the upper triangular space, we have an artery which crosses in between the two slips of the teres minor muscle, that is the circumflex scapular artery. This right here is the circumflex scapular artery along with its vein. So the contents of the quadrangular space is the axillary nerve and posterior circumflex humeral artery. The content of the upper triangular space is the circumflex scapular artery crossing in between the two slips of teres minor muscle and the vessels. Now talking about the contents of the lower triangular space, we have the largest branch of the brachial plexus, that is the radial nerve, the profunda brachii vessels. These profunda brachii vessels are the branches of the brachial artery. So to sum up, the contents of the quadrangular space are the axillary nerve and the posterior circumflex humeral artery. The contents of the upper triangular space is the circumflex scapular artery and vein which anastomize over the body of the scapula. The contents of the lower triangular space is the radial nerve and the profunda brachii vessels coming from the brachial artery. So guys, this was the intermuscular spaces in the scapular region. If you find this video interesting and informative, please do like, subscribe and do share. Signing off, love for anatomy.